Hi guys, it's Aubrey from the Corrigan Sisters, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make apple crisp. Apple crisp is hands down one of my favorite desserts, and when topped in vanilla ice cream, they're just the perfect pair. And this is a great treat for fall, so let's get started. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. In a large bowl, add the sliced apples, sugar, vanilla extract, cinnamon, and flour, mixing till the apples are evenly coated. Place the mixture in an 8-inch cast iron skillet. Pour water over apples. Now for the topping. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the oats, brown sugar, flour, salt, baking soda, baking powder, and melted butter together. Pour evenly over the apple mixture. Bake at 350 degrees for about 35 minutes or until golden and juices are bubbling through. Okay, so it has cooled down for about 30 minutes and now we are ready to serve. And of course with a big scoop of ice cream. So I hope you guys love this recipe as much as we do. It is really good. It has all of the flavors of an apple pie, but more. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. See you in our next video.